be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step and foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks I never would have seen.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. All right. Now, this one right here, this pickup right here, this is something I've been waiting on. This shoe right here is something that I have been waiting on. It's something very important to my sneaker collection because this shoe right here, the shoe that is in this box, now gives me one of all of this player's signature sneakers. I now have at least one of every single one of this player's signature model sneakers. So glad to finally have it. So glad that this shoe has arrived. Let's go ahead and get into it, man. But first, bam. All right, now we rolling. All right, but let's go ahead and get into this. Boom. Nike box. Nike box. As you can see, nothing but the Nike going all around. All right, this is the Zoom Lebron 3 Quick Strike. Colorway is black metallic gold. I got a size 13 in these. And the reason why is because I didn't know how these fit. And I spoke with Jason Donner. He's a big LeBron sneaker collector that I follow on YouTube and on Twitter. And I asked him which way should I go because I'm a true size 13 and a half. And he said, you should go down in this shoe because the retros run a little big. So I listened to him and I went ahead and got the 13 in this. But let's go ahead and get into it, man. Boom. I had to go ahead. Also, with that being said, the size 13 was cheaper than the size 14. So I said, let me go ahead and get that. I got these boys from the good people over at StockX. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Yeah, it's about damn time. It is about damn time. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The collection is now done. It's done. I mean, it's not done because they're going to release a LeBron 17 this year and the collection continues to go. But for what numbers that there are now, I have now at least one of every single LeBron shoe. I have one of all of them. This is the Zoom Lebron 3 and that black and gold colorway. Man, it is a dope sneaker too. Oh man. Oh man. You know what? Let's go. Get that out of here. Let's get this StockX tag out of here. Verified authentic from StockX. So, you know, hold it down. But let's go ahead and get that. Wink. Oh, I failed. Oh, there we go. Get it out of here. Get out of here. These ain't going nowhere. Oh, man. Let's take a look at these, man. Look at the lace tips on these bad boys right here. If you can see that, this looks very nice. Very nice on the lace tips. We got your gold eyelids on there. Boom, going all around. You got your, just like, actually, let me pull out the 16 because this is a very similar looking shoe. how they are shaped here in the front. And you see this metal piece here? That is also there on the 3. I never knew. Tony Baker voice on y'all. But I never knew that, you know, I knew they were doing some of the colorways similar to some of the colorways on the 16, similar to what they are on the 3, but I didn't know that the design is the design of the 16 is very similar to the 3. I didn't know that till right now. You got your LeBron going across here. Let's get that a little bit closer. You see that LeBron there. And then you got your Lion King, of course. King James, baby, right there in the front. Then you got your LeBron logo there, old school LeBron logo there. Nike check there. Very similar to the Nike check that's here. Very similar. It's almost like they redid the same shoe. It's kind of cool. Kind of cool. Let's get that. Is that the 3? Looks like a 3 on the back there. You can see that. Did they do that on this one too? They did. Wow. They based everything about this one off of the 3. That's nuts. 23 there. LeBron James 23 on the back tab here. And that's also on the 16. Let's look at the bottom while we are investigating here. Okay, they didn't do it here. James on the bottom here, so I'm assuming the right one has LeBron on it. Let's see. Okay, on the bottom here, yep, LeBron. Get that box up. So LeBron on the bottom here, and then James on the bottom there. All right, get the right boy out of here. Let's go ahead and unlace these. Man, it was something that when I started my sneaker collection, I said I wanted to have at least one of every Jordan, and I wanted to have at least one of every LeBron. I no longer want to have one of every Jordan because, to me, some of those Jordans are ugly. And I can't see myself actually wearing the shoes. To me, that's just my opinion. Like the 19s, I have no desire to have the 19. And it's just an ugly sneaker to me. So my Jordan desire is gone, but I did have to have at least one of every LeBron. LeBron logo on the inside there. Man, just a dope sneaker, man. Just a dope sneaker. Size tagging on the back there. Nice nylon feel on the inside there. It's very dope. You got your leather going all around here on the side, on the midsole here, and then on the back, you got your patent leather going around back there. You got your zoom on the bottom here. You all can see that. On the inside, you have your 2. It says 2 there. And then you got your 3 on the bottom there on that side. On the toe box area here, this is a nubuck here. Little nubuck action. Not quite the nappy suede, but it's a nice little nubuck material going on there. And all around the sides. So, very dope, man. Very dope. Let's go ahead, and specifically for my big brother who said that if these do not fit me, to go ahead and send them his way. Let's go ahead and put these boys on feet. All right, let's go ahead and get to it. Let's get to it. This is what I was rocking today. The Vans Tribe Called Quest Boys. Very dope sneaker. All right, so let's go ahead and get those out the way. and get to these LeBrons. Now, I ain't gonna lie to you. I've already tried the right one on. I've not tried the left one on. The reason is my right foot like usually shoes fit differently on my right foot. So if I can fit the right one, I'm usually good on the left. And there it is. On feet. Boom. Now let's go ahead and put the right one back on. All right, brush off my old socks there. And we are in there. We are in there. All right. Pull my pants up a little bit so we can see the sneaker. Boom. Yes, sir. Now, those who might be asking, right here, right there is where my toe is. Doesn't give me a whole lot of extra space in there, but it's not all the way up here either. It's right there. So, like exact fit. Exact fit. And I'm also wearing thicker black socks, so, but perfect fit. So, nope, these are not going anywhere. These are not going to my big brother. Yes, sir. Will I get a 14 in the future? More than likely. More than likely. Just, you know, a little bit more wiggle room is probably cool. Actually, for me right now, my right foot actually feels better, which is normally not the case. Usually my, like, you know, at the end of the day, your feet swell, you've been on your feet all day and stuff. Usually my right foot feels a little bit different than my left, but, you know, not this case. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. A little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Glad to have these boys. But anyway, that's going to do it for these, man. Definitely glad to have these in my collection. I finally can finish off my LeBron collection, man. This one's been a long time coming. It's been so hard. Before they started retroing the LeBron signature line, it's been so hard to find the LeBron 3 at a good price and in decent condition. This one has eluded me the longest. Man, it was coming down to the 3s and the 5s, and this, I got the 5 last summer, and then this 3, man, it has just eluded me for so long, man, and now I have 1 through 16, but collection's complete. Eventually, I don't know how soon, it might be my next video, might be a little bit further down the line once I get things situated in here. Eventually, I will do a LeBron 1 through 16 collection video. I will do that. Comment below, give a thumbs up if you'd like to see me do that. But that's going to do it. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. More content is on the way. And I will holler at you all in the next video. Peace.